Namaskaram friends, welcome to another video and I'm Ramesh Ram. Here in this video, you're going to learn three very important tricks in Android phone. Okay, if you're an Android user, then definitely this video is helpful for you guys. Okay, so before we dive onto this video, if you're new to my channel, please support my channel by subscribing. Okay, so let us dive onto this video. The very first important trick is, for example, if you're using any third-party apps like MX Player or Woot app, this is Woot app. Okay, so here you can see ads like this. Okay, so you can remove these kinds of ads permanently. Okay, so here you can see there is an ad here. So these kinds of ads you can remove permanently. How? Let me show you guys. Okay, it's very simple. So in your Android phone, just go to settings. Okay, so here in settings, just type DNS. Okay, search for DNS, choose private DNS. Okay, so here in private DNS, what happens, once you open this private DNS, your Android phone will automatically set for automatic or off mode. Okay, so you need to select private DNS provider hotspot name. Okay, so once you select this, you need to give a name dns.adguard.com. okay, so please don't give any space in between, because so if you give any space it will not save. Okay, so don't give any space. Okay, so once you give the name, just click on save. Now let me go to Woot app once again and see these ads are removed or not. Okay, so now you can see those kinds of ads are not showing in my Woot app. Okay, so you can see there is no ad like this. You can literally permanently delete these kinds of ads using this trick. Okay, so guys, here what happens, in some of the Android phones this trick may work, but in some of them it is not working. So if it is not working, don't worry, I will give another trick. Okay, so just go to Play Store. So here you need to install this app called InternetGuard Data Saver Firewall. Okay, so you need to install this app. So once you install this app, just open this app. Okay, so you need to agree, and then you need to turn on this one. Once you turn on, just click on OK, and then OK, then don't ask again. Okay, so here in this app you need to choose which app you want to block ads. Okay, so here I will choose the Woot app. Okay, you need to turn off the Wi-Fi and also the mobile data. Okay, so if you turn off like this, ads won't be shown in that particular app. Okay, so this is the second method you can use if the first method is not working. Okay, so not only Woot app, you can manage any apps. So I hope you guys like this first trick. If you like this first trick, please give it a like for this video. Okay guys, now coming to the second very important trick, that is, you go to Google or Chrome and type here happy mode. Okay, so here in search result you need to click on this one. Okay, so in happy mode, what is this happy mode? Basically it is about APK apps. Okay, so you can get premium apps like Amazon Prime, okay, and Netflix, these kind of apps for free. Okay, so in Play Store you need to pay for these apps, but here in happy mode you can get this kind of you can see here Netflix mod APK free purchase unlocked premium. Okay, so you can unlock these apps completely for free. Okay, guys, now coming to the third last trick in Android phone is, for example, if you want to send any apps from your mobile phone, you use normally third-party apps like ShareIt or ShareMe. Okay, so without using those third-party apps, you can share directly in Play Store. How? Let me show you guys. Okay, so just go to Play Store. So here in Play Store, click on your profile picture on the top right corner. So here once you click on that, go to manage apps and devices. Okay, so below you can see share apps option. Okay, so you can directly share your installed apps with your friends. Okay, so that is how you can make use of these three very important tricks in your Android phone. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and please share this video with your friends, and also please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a great and fantastic day. Namaskaram.